Hello everyone, in front of me is Xreal Beam Pro and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings. Then from main settings list select wallpaper, click on wallpaper and style, and now choose the wallpaper by tapping on change wallpaper. So you can pick one from your own photos or something from on-device wallpapers, and let me choose for example this one. Now you can take a look how it appears on both home and lock screen, and if you like it, just mark confirmation mark. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only or home and lock screens. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. That will be all. From now on it is set. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.